Yo, welcome to a new video from Dash Hack YouTube channel. In this video, I want to introduce a new tool for you to be completely anonymous on the whole of the internet. And you can surf the internet completely unknown, and even you can go to dark web. The tool name is IP Changer, and this tool changes your IP address every 3 seconds. And by changing the IP address, your location is hid and your information is hid, and no one can identify you by these tools. You can download it from GitHub for free and also easy. Let's go. Okay, I logged into my server before, and this is the GitHub page, and you can install it completely easy. And on installation, you can use a git clone and also curl to install it. I choose git clone, and you can just put it on your PC. Then git clone it from GitHub, and you can run it by bash IP changer dot. You must be root to run this tool. Sudo bash IP changer, and yes, this is IP changer tool, and you can customize it for yourself to change your IP address in different seconds. But by default, I put 0 and again 0, and the tool starts changing your IP address. And by this tool, you are completely unknown and also anonymous on the internet. You can use it for going to dark web, and this tool is powered by Tor service, and it's completely safe. I tested before. Thank you for watching this video from Dash Hack YouTube channel. I hope that it's useful for yourself. If you have any suggestion, comment it. I answer you as soon as possible. And also, if you have any question, put your question on comments. I and different admins answer you. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe our channel for more video, for more hacking video. I am all ear for you, and I am here for you. Thank you for watching.